Shalom, Saints. If you are a part of a community or a home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. Bless you.
Shalom, shalom, family. Please visit www.straitwaynetwork.com for all up-to-date information about the feast. You have easy access. Just click the feast banner at the top of the homepage. For the saints that are coming, please be mindful that viruses are on the rise around this time of year. While we all trust in the Most High for our health and healing, He has also blessed us with herbs of the field and righteous leadership that promotes taking them. Please go to www.householdherbs.com and stock up on antiviral tinctures. We suggest taking maintenance doses starting 2 weeks prior to the feast, during the feast, and after. Let's make this an enjoyable feast for everyone.
If you are a part of a community or home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. We welcome more righteous content.